In this video, I will show you how to enable SMTP in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to go to myaccount.google.com. Now, I want you to go to security, and on the security, I want you to ensure that your two-step verification is active. Now, we're going to come here and we're going to add app password. So it's gonna be myaccount.google.com/app passwords. Now here we're gonna create a new app name. We're gonna call it Gmail SMTP, or we can call it mail client, but let's use Gmail SMTP. It's generating, and now that we have our password, we're gonna copy this. Now once you're done with that, in your email client, you're going to enter smtp.gmail.com. You choose port 587 or 645, and your Gmail address has a username and the new app password that we just copied when we generated the app name in our passwords. And that's how you enable SMTP in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.